Hello, this is an unboxing video for manufacturer number 2252267. This is by Umarex, USA. This is a Browning 800 Express. It's a 22 caliber pellet air pistol. Has a velocity of 600 FPS. It's auto safety, fiber optic sights. So I'm going to take it out here for you so you can get a good look. This will be your air gun safety rules. Your operating manual. Quick tips. Information on the shooter's kit and the Umarex Steel Storm. The no return policy to the store. Their age recommendations, and in this case it's 16 and older. Your product registration information. Your cocking assist handle. You can see it's got the Browning logo right here, here, and here.